Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Our topic for today is about conversion between normal and standard normal distribution. And this is quarter 3 of grade 11 General Mathematics. This is quarter 3 Data and Probability, lesson Roman numeral 11, conversion between normal and standard normal distributions. Intended learning outcomes. At the end of this lesson, the learners will be able to A. Define a normal random variable and a standard normal variable. Explain the purpose of converting a normal random variable to a standard normal variable. Perform the conversion of a normal random variable to a standard normal variable using the z-score formula. Perform the conversion of a standard normal variable back to a normal random variable. Apply these conversions to solve probability problems. What are the normal and standard normal variables? A normal random variable is a continuous random variable whose distribution is shaped like a bell curve. This distribution is characterized by its mean mu and its standard deviation sigma. A standard normal variable, often denoted by letter Z, is a special type of normal random variable. It has a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. The standard normal distribution is the foundation for a standardized way to calculate probabilities for any normal distribution. The purpose of conversion. The main reason we convert a normal random variable x to a standard normal variable z is to make it possible to use a standardized table, often called a z-table, to find probabilities. Since every normal distribution is unique due to its own mean and standard deviation, it will be impossible to create a separate table for each one. The standard normal distribution, with its fixed mean and standard deviation, provides a universal framework. By converting any normal random variable to its equivalent z-score, we can find the area under the curve which represents the probability in the same way every time. This process is like translating a measurement into a common language so everyone can understand it. Converting a normal variable x to a standard normal variable z. This conversion is done using the z-score formula. Z is equal to x minus mu over sigma, where z is the standard normal variable or the z-score. X is the normal random variable you want to convert. Mu is the mean of the normal distribution, and sigma is the standard deviation of the normal variable. The z-scores tells you how many standard deviation an observation is away from the mean. A positive z-score means the observation is above the mean, while a negative z-score means it's below the mean. For example, a z-score of 2 means the value is 2 standard deviation above the mean. Example, suppose a class test scores are normally distributed with a mean mu of 75 and a standard deviation sigma of 5. What is the z-score for a student who scored 85? So using the formula, z is equal to 85 minus 75 all over 2 is equal to 5. The student score of 85 is 2 standard deviation above the mean. I, using the formula, it is 85 minus 75 over 5, which is equal to 2. Correction for our value of z. The value of z is 2, not 5. So again, using the formula, that is, the correct one is z is equal to 85 minus 75 over 5, which is equal to 2. The one that I have in the slide is wrong. I hope you understand. Converting a standard normal variable z back to variable x. So, sometimes you need to work backward. If you have a z-score and want to find the original value of x in the normal distribution, you can rearrange the z-score formula. So that will be, say, times sigma is equal to x minus mu. And therefore, x is equals to mu plus zq. So that formula is, of course, in with the use of our transposition in algebra. So x is the original normal random variable, mu is the mean of the normal distribution, z is the standard normal variable, which is our z-score. Example, using the same class test score mean of 75, standard deviation 5, what is the original score x that corresponds to a z-score of -5. So using the formula, x equals to 75 plus -1.5 times 5 is equal to 75 minus 7.5, and that is 67.5. So that means a z-score of -1.5 corresponds to a score of 67.5. The second intended learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to A. Define the standard normal distribution and explain its purpose in probability and statistics. Explain the relationship between a normal random variable x and the standard normal variable z. Apply the formula for converting a normal random variable to a standard variable z-score. Interpret the meaning of a z-score in relation to the mean and the standard deviation. Convert a z-score back to the original random variable. Solve real-life problems involving standardization and the standardization of normal random variables. Illustrate the probability interpretation of areas under the normal curve using the z-scores. Normal distribution recap. The normal distribution is a bell-shaped curve defined by two parameters. Number one, the mean. It determines the center of the distribution. Standard deviation. This determines the spread of the distribution. Probabilities are represented by areas under the normal curve. The standard normal distribution, the z distribution. The standard normal distribution is a special case of the normal distribution where the mean is equal to 0 and the standard deviation is equal to 1. This makes it possible to use, say, tables or technology to find probabilities regardless of the original mean and standard deviation. Converting normal to standard normal z-score. To transform any normal random variable x with the mean mu and standard deviation sigma into a standard normal variable with z value of the mean 0 and standard deviation 1 is, say, is equal to x minus mu all over sigma. Interpretation. A z-score tells us how many standard deviations a value x is above or below the mean. Example, if z is equal to 2, the value x is 2 standard deviations above the mean. We will have the next part of this quarter 3 data and probability lesson Roman numeral 11.